used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. Now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again.
Hey guys, today we're gonna check out some stroller and then car seat for the baby. Let's go to Bye Bye Baby. So I also need to return my Abercrombie order. I ordered a pair of jeans and then a dress, but I don't like both of them, so I'm gonna return it today. Okay, this is my outfit today. This is a cute wrap top from Real Oil. I really love it. It's also pump friendly. Yeah. And these jeans I got on Amazon. They are my favorite pair of maternity jeans right now. So comfy, so easy to put on and to take off. I will link it in the description for you guys. I really love it. And then I carry a big tote bag so I can put my camera in it. Okay, let's go. Như giờ thấy người ta xài cái này á, nó thấy mình á, nó cao gì nè, nó thích hơn.
Này ru phim nó không ngủ mình ngủ.
Em luôn hả?
Trao giật luôn á.
Vậy hả?
Đây rồi.
Quay. Ôi trời ơi, it's the cushion ha.
Mua đi về, mua liền hay về mình ngủ trước. Đi ngủ trưa mình mạnh ngồi.
Nếu mà có cái đồ gác chân nữa mới đã, chứ nếu mà ngủ vậy thì không có sướng.
Thank you.
Có 50% không? Looking good.
1.000 calorie.
Oh my god. Ngon. Ấm á. Good morning. So today is Tuesday. We're gonna go to see the baby. We're gonna have an ultrasound today for 20 weeks, which is very important. So I pray a lot about this, and I really hope the baby is doing well. Very exciting and very anxious too. Oh, that's the head and the belly.
Yep. Your baby would stop moving.
Oh, he's just moving around.
Yeah, a lot.
So we just finished our visit at the ultrasound at 20 weeks today, and I'm so happy that everything is like baby is healthy and everything is good. So I'm in a very good mood right now. I just pray a lot. I was so anxious, but when the doctor said that everything looking good, the fluid, the baby, I'm so happy. And finally I got some picture. Yay! There, let me show you guys this book. Baby very first side profile. Now we're heading to lunch and then buy my friend some gift because we're coming to Austin this weekend. Very exciting, very exciting. So I just want to share with you guys that I'm so happy that the baby is healthy. It just released so much anxiety for me. So I just got home and I want to do an update with you guys about my baby. So everything was looking good, and the doctor. So recently we changed to another doctor because the first one that I have, she's just really bad, and I'm not gonna tell I'm gonna talk in detail about that, but she's just not the one that I'm looking for, and she doesn't show any support to my pregnancy. So I look for another doctor, and today was my first day meeting her, and it was perfect. She exactly the doctor that I'm looking for to take care of myself, my baby, and throughout this pregnancy, and she may help me deliver this baby. So she's just perfect. Like, she's really caring. She asked me questions instead of just step in and ask me if I have any question, because sometimes you don't know what to ask, you don't know what you don't know. She asked me a lot of questions, how I feel, do I have any pain, like, and she's really caring, very enthusiastic. I can tell that she's busy, but she doesn't show that, hey, I don't have time for you, just to just be hurry. She's very patient, spend a lot of time with me and share with me a lot of information that I should know and Logan should know. So I was so happy and so appreciated that we choose her. So yeah, I don't know, I heard that many people have this problem too, that they have to change the doctor because the first one that they have is not good. So I think it's something that's very common, and I'm just glad that I found a new doctor that is very good. Also, this is the second ultrasound that we have during this pregnancy. The first one was in 8 weeks, and baby was like a bean. It's just a thing that I can't even tell what it is. But now I saw that he has arms, legs, everything, heartbeat, brain, kidney, everything, the spine. He's looking perfect, and he keeps spinning around, like changing his position. We have a really fun ultrasound. So I was so happy and grateful for the help of my baby and myself. So that's what I want to share with you guys. So I'm looking forward to the next appointment because I hope to see him again next. So I'm gonna see the doctor in 4 weeks. So now just rest, taking care of myself and my baby, and see her again in 4 weeks. Wow. Đây bây giờ lấy ra. Wow. Một cái dứa sách của em, yeah. Trời ơi, hạt điều. Yeah.
Đi bà ba.
Trời ơi, vui quá à. Trời ơi, quá trời khóa trời con cá sặc luôn. Trời ơi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 luôn. Cái này là làm lọc xương hả chồng?
Vậy hả?
Lọc xương lọc dãy hết rồi đó.
Trời ơi, đã vậy.
Dạ, bởi vậy. Ôi trời.
Đáng xịn ha.
Trời ơi, bình thường cũng bự hết á. Thank you, mommy. I'm so thankful for my mom. She's just amazing, and I think I almost cried when I opened the package from Vietnam from my mom, because I feel like she's here with me. Everything here is my mom touched. My mom bought it for me, and now they are here with me. I'm just so emotional right now. I cannot express how much I'm grateful for her. She's just like giving me the best. And you know what? The thing about Asian mom is not just Asian mom. I think every mom would be like this. Then you just casually say that, oh, you want to eat this, you want like you're craving something, and then she's like the next day she was like, oh yeah, I order everything for you. I was like, mom, we're just saying that like so casually. We don't even like ask her to do it. We just said like, oh, if you can send us this, then it would be fun. It's just like that. And then 2 days later, my mom was like, okay, here's the list of everything that I ordered for you guys. If there's anything missing, just let me know. And we were so shocked. We were so shocked about how quick she is. Like, and then I'm just so grateful for my mom. I also asked her to buy me some pregnancy book. These books are very popular in Vietnam. It's like raising a kid is not a word. So this like how to raise a baby, how to raise an infant. So they have this very popular in Vietnam. I've been wanting to get them, but they don't have this in America. And these are in Vietnamese, so easy to read. And this one is the Vietnamese version, so I don't have to like reading and translating at the same time. So that's why this book is available in the United States. It's an American book, but this one is in Vietnamese version. I just want a Vietnamese version, so it's easy to read. I'm so glad I got it. Thank you, Mom. So I guess the next couple of days, what I'm doing is reading this book before baby arrives.